It is Monday night, and for dinner tonight we are having spaghetti. So I have my pot boiling for my noodles, and I have my pan ready to brown up my sausage. I like to use the turkey smoked sausage, so I'm just going to slice it up into small chunks. I just cut my sausage up into bite-sized pieces. And the sausage is already cooked, it's fully cooked, so all you have to do is just warm it up. And of course you can use any kind of meat. It just takes a few minutes for it to warm up and brown a little bit. So I have 1 can of petite diced tomatoes, a 28-ounce can. I also have a 28-ounce can of tomato sauce and a can of chopped black olives. I just put my sausage on a napkin on a plate and let it drain. I'm going to add my tomato sauce to my pan and my diced tomatoes. And my water is starting to come to a boil. I am using angel hair pasta, and that's what we like to use, but you can use any kind of noodle. I just use the whole box, and we always have leftovers. Yeah, I'm going to add in some oregano, basil, garlic powder, and onion powder. Give it a stir. We're going to add in our chopped olives. We're going to let it come to a slight simmer. Our spaghetti sauce is coming to a slight bubble, so I'm going to turn the temperature down, put the lid on it, let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring every so often. Okay, my pasta sauce has been simmering for about 10 minutes. I'm going to add my sausage in there so that my sausage can warm back up. So let it cook for about another 5 minutes. Okay, my spaghetti sauce is done simmering. So I'm just going to mix it all in my bowl with my noodles. And try not to make a mess. Gonna mix it up real good. Okay, so we have a side salad with our dinner. 3 of us are having salad. And then I just made some breadsticks. Owen's plate. He does not like salad, so he has carrots and cucumbers. It is Tuesday night, and for dinner tonight we are just having leftover spaghetti. Owen had 4 teeth pulled today to get him ready to have his braces put on. So he is on soft foods for the next few days, so he just has a little bit of spaghetti and some bread. Everybody else has spaghetti, bread, and salad. It is Wednesday night, and for dinner tonight we are having Italian chicken. So I just have 4 medium-sized potatoes. I already peeled them. I'm going to chop them. Okay, I already put my 2 chicken breasts in my cooking dish, and I cut them in half, and I poked holes in them so that the butter and seasoning could melt inside of them. So I have 2 cans of green beans, and they're drained. Put my potatoes on the other side. We're going to spread them across the chicken and the veggies. So I have 1 packet of Italian seasoning. I'm just going to sprinkle it all over the top. So we're going to cover it with foil. My oven is preheated to 350 and it's going to bake for 1 hour. So here's our dinner all plated up, our chicken, green beans, and potatoes with a little bit of sour cream. Owen is still eating soft food, so he just has some chicken dinosaurs, some green beans, and potatoes. He doesn't like sour cream on anything, so that is his plate. It is Thursday night, and for dinner tonight we are having white chicken chili. Now I have my chicken breast already in the crock pot. I just have some seasonings. I'm just going to sprinkle on the top. I have 1 can of corn drained, 1 can of Rotel, 2 cans of white beans. I just rinsed and drained them, or drained them and rinsed them. Add in 1 32-ounce box of chicken broth. Okay, so this is going to cook on high for 6 hours. Okay, so my chicken is done. Okay, I shredded my chicken up. I'm going to put it back in the crock pot. Just microwaved my cream cheese for a few seconds so that it will melt easier. I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. And we're going to cook it on high for 15 minutes. Okay, so our white chicken chili is done. The cream cheese has melted. So now we're going to scoop it into bowls. Okay, so I added some cheese to the top and some tortilla chips.